Hi guys, there is nothing quite like homemade jam. This recipe is made with the fresh raspberry and it's very easy to make. I visited to the Friederland farm yesterday and I picked so many strawberries and raspberries on my own. In this farm, there are a lot of strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, apple and so many other fruits we can pick. However, my favorite fruit is the strawberry and raspberry, so I pick a lot of strawberries and raspberry and bring back home. They are too good to waste it, so I decided to make a jam. Okay, let's start making a jam. To begin with, we have to weigh raspberry first. After that, we have to weigh sugar. Because the ratio of the raspberry and sugar should be the 1 to half ratio. I've got a lemon and I'm just going to take off zest and squeeze the juice out. Pop the raspberries into the saucepan and cook them really gently. I'm going to break them down a little bit with the potato masher and keep some texture in there. After a minute later, I'm going to add sugar a little by a little. And now I'm going to add the lemon zest and juice. Give it a good stir and we are keeping the heat gentle. After sugar dissolves, raise the heat about 5 or 6 minutes just until we reach the setting point. Now it's time to test for the setting. It's still early to test, but I want to show you how is the difference. You see how liquid that is? This is the plate kept in the fridge for a couple of minutes, and then I put this hot mixture on the cold plate, and then this tells me the jam is not ready yet. So continue stirring for another 15 minutes. Now I push my finger, you see the wrinkles. That wrinkles on the plate is telling me that jam is ready. So while it's still hot, transfer into the sterilized jar and leave it to set. Now here we have it, easy raspberry jam. I hope you guys love it and thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.